Welcome to DataStatPro Publication Tool Series. In this video, we will learn how to calculate and interpret effect sizes in two ways. Use the effect size table to analyze raw data and generate APA-ready results instantly. Use the effect size calculator to work with summary stats, input values, and get precise effect sizes with confidence intervals and visual guides. Perfect for researchers at any level. Simplify your analysis and reporting with DataStatPro. Let's dive in. First, go to the DataStatPro website by typing DataStatPro.com. Click on the Open App button. If there is an update to the app, it may ask you to update, which may take a few seconds. Go to the Publications menu, and under the APA Style Academic Table section, you can find the SMD Effect Size table. You can also see the Effect Size calculator under the Interpretation and Guide section. We will discuss both. Let's start with the Effect Size table. Click on it. This effect size analysis feature is designed to calculate effect sizes from raw data. Step 1. Attach the relevant data. Let's select the health dataset. Step 2. Choose the desired effect size measure. Here, you can find a comprehensive list of effect sizes for two groups, more than two groups, and for effect size related to categorical data, like Cramer's V, phi coefficient, and Cohen's W. Let's start with Cohen's D. Select the grouping variable and continuous variables. Let's say our grouping variable is gender, and the continuous variables are age, income, height, weight, blood pressure, and cholesterol. Click on Generate Effect Size. It provides effect sizes with an overall summary and an effect sizes table. The effect size of height is very large, and income is negligible. You can turn on the legend to see the effect size interpretation guidelines. At the bottom, you'll find an APA-style write-up of the effect size, which you can copy, add to the results manager, save as script, copy syntax for later use, or export to Microsoft Word. Let's export to Word and open the downloaded file. You can see a perfectly crafted table along with a write-up of the results, which is ready to be included in research papers, theses, or presentations. Now, let's discuss the second case for effect size calculations. We do not have raw data, but only summary statistics available. For such scenarios, you can use the effect size calculator. Step 1 is to choose the effect size type. You can select the desired effect size from the drop-down menu. It provides similar options. Let's choose Cohen's D and enter the required data, such as means, standard deviations, and group sizes. Then click on Calculate Effect Size. In the generated results, you can see the formula used for the effect size calculation, along with a visual presentation of the effect size and confidence interval. You will also get related conversions of the effect size, such as point biserial R, among others. On the Guide tab, you will find reporting guidelines for each effect size. Let's do another example for the categorical case. This time, choose Cramer's V and input the required data, such as a chi-square value, sample size, number of rows, and number of columns. Click on Calculate Effect Size. This time, you will see Cramer's V along with its formula and an effect size display. I am the digital avatar DataStatPro, signing off. Bye for now. See you in another informative tutorial about DataStatPro's features.